you can share your report via email with Google Analytics. You can also create scheduled emails to inform others on a daily, weekly, and quarterly basis. See how to share reports and manage your scheduled emails in Google Analytics. Once you've created your report, if you would like to share it quickly with another user, you can share it by email. To do this, I'm going to go up to the top right-hand corner of my report, and you'll notice that you have a share icon. Once you select this icon, a window will appear and you can start composing your email. At the top, you can select the To field and enter your recipient's email address. After you've entered your recipient's email address, you'll see that the subject line is already pre-filled out. If you'd like to change this, you can select the field, choose backspace, and enter a new subject line. You'll see just below the subject line that the attachment has already been added to your email. If you'd like to change it from a PDF format to another format, you can select the drop-down menu, and you could choose to add it as an Excel file or a comma-separated value file. Depending on how you would like to save, you can choose the corresponding format. Since I'd like to send this report as information to my colleague, I'm going to leave it in PDF format. Just below the attachments, you'll be able to choose the frequency of the email. If you're just sharing this email as a one-off, you can leave it set to once. Whereas if you'd like to schedule this email, for example, I would like this report to be sent weekly to this user, I could select the drop-down menu, and I could choose to send it on a weekly basis. As you can see, you can also choose from daily, monthly, and quarterly. Once you set it to a frequency, you're going to have to choose the day of the week if you've chosen weekly. From here, I'm going to send this report every Friday by selecting the F marked for the days of the week. After I've selected my day, if I'd like to choose the duration of this report being sent, I'm going to select Advanced Options. From Advanced Options, I could choose the duration for the time period that this report will be sent. By default, it's set to 6 months. If I'd like to make it a shorter or longer period, I can select the drop-down menu and choose the corresponding months. As you can see, you could choose up to 12 months. I'm going to leave it as a shorter period for 3 months. Once I set the active period, I can go down and enter an optional email by selecting the field and typing in my message. After I've composed my message, I can select the option Send in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, once you've shared your email, if you set up a frequency, you can manage your scheduled emails from your admin settings. To do this, I'm going to go to the left-hand navigation menu, and I'm going to proceed down to the settings gear located in the bottom left-hand corner. From your